In this video, I will show you how you can measure voltage and current in a simple DC circuit. For this, I am opening my Simulink and then blank model. So this is our untitled blank model. So this is our circuit, as you can see left side. Firstly, I will show you how you measure current, and then next portion of this video, I will show you how you can measure voltage. Okay, house library, and then you have to go electrical sources. You can see DC voltage source. I am dragging and dropping here DC voltage source. Okay, it will take some times. Okay, DC voltage source, and we need resistor 1 2 3 4 and 5. We need 5 resistor, and you will find resistor under same path, Simscape foundation library, electrical, and then you will find resistor under electrical element, and here resistor is here, and we need 5 resistor. I am copying. Just right click on your mouse and dragging it. Similarly here, similar procedure, or you can just copy and paste. And we need another DC voltage source. I'm copying it by right clicking on your mouse. So our circuit is almost okay. I'm fit to view for better view. Okay, I'm making the circuit. Okay, now I'm putting the value as our circuit. First DC voltage source value of 45 volt, then this is 2 ohm, this is 12 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is 9 ohm. Okay, this is 3 ohm, and this is 30 ohm, 30 volt, sorry, this is 30 volt. Okay, now that for every DC circuit we need electrical reference, or we can or ground. You will find electrical reference here under electrical element, here electrical reference. One more thing you have to know: when you simulate any DC circuit or AC circuit, simple DC circuit or AC circuit, you need a solver configuration block, and you will find under Simscape and then utilities. Here you will find a solver configuration block. For every circuit simulation, you need a solver configuration block. And what is a solver configuration block? If you further need to know what is solver configuration block, you may right click on the solver configuration block and go on the help. I'm not going into this. You may find further discussion or description of solver configuration block under help. Okay, I'm connecting this. Okay, our circuit is okay. Now we need to measure current I1 and I2, and here is a problem: calculate the mesh current I1 and I2 for the circuit. Okay, we need current I1 and I2, and for measuring current we need a block called current sensor, and you will find current sensor under electrical sensor. Under same path, Simscape foundation library electrical, and under electrical sensor you will find current sensor. Here we have to find current I1. For that we have to delete the branch, and then sorry, here. Okay, I'm connecting this as a circuit was. We need another current sensor block here for measuring current I2. Okay, now we need a display block for displaying our current. Okay, you will find under Simulink and Sync, here is a display block. Okay, we need two display block for blocks for current and I2. Here is a simple modification you need. While you want to connect the output of current sensor to the display block, you cannot connect it because the output of the current sensor block is physical signal. We need to convert it to electrical signal. For that you have to go the Simscape, and under Simscape, under utilities, you will find PS Simulink converter, and we need this block to display the current values measuring by current sensor. So we need two PS Simulink converter. I'm connecting this, and output of the current sensor block will be connected to the PS Simulink converter, and PS Simulink converter will be connected to the display block. Similarly, I'm doing this. So our circuit is okay. Now it's time to run our model. Okay, I am running our model. So here our current I1 is 2.5 ampere and current I2 is 0 ampere, and our solution is here: current I1 is 2.5 ampere and current I2 is 2 ampere. So this is all about measuring current in a simple DC circuit. Now I am taking another circuit for measuring voltage. This is our voltage measurement circuit. Here, this is our voltage measuring circuit. So I am deleting all of this. Okay, we have already used voltage source. Now I'm taking current source. Simple different. Okay, here under same path, Simscape Foundation Library Electrical, for current source you will find current source under electrical sources, and here you will find DC current source. Here DC current source, and we need 1 2 3 resistor, and you will find resistor under electrical elements. So here is the resistor. Our resistor need 1 2 and 3, and we need another current source, and we already know, and we also know we need electrical reference. And for as we are simulating DC, as we are simulating circuit, we need a solver configuration block, and solver configuration block you will find under utilities, and this is our solver configuration block. I am zooming this for better view angle, and this resistor will be rotated, and you can rotate under control R. Similarly, using control R, I'm rotating this resistor, and I'm connecting our circuit element. Okay, this resistor and this current source will be rotated using control R, and our electrical reference is here, and solver configuration block. I'm connecting this. Now I'm putting the values. This is 3 ampere, this is 2 ohm, this is 6 ohm, this is 7 ohm, and this is 12 ampere. Here our problem is obtain the node voltages in the circuit, so we have to find V1 and V2. Here this is our node 1 and this is node 2. We have to find voltage at node 1 and node 2. For measuring voltage, we have to go, for measuring voltage we have to go Simscape Foundation Library electrical sensor. Here you will find voltage sensor, and as we have to find two voltages, we need two voltage sensor. Okay, I'm connecting this. This is our first node, and this is our reference, and this is our second node. Okay, similarly the output of voltage sensor is physical signal. We have to convert it to Simulink signal. We have to convert it to Simulink signal. For that we need a PS Simulink converter, and you will find under Simscape and utilities. Okay, this is PS Simulink converter, and this is PS Simulink converter. I am connecting output of voltage sensor to PS Simulink converter. Similarly, and we need display block, and you will find display under sync. Okay, this is display 1, this is display 2. I'm connecting this, so our circuit is okay. So this is our node voltage 1, and this is our node voltage 2. I'm running our model. As you can see here, our node voltage 1 V1 is minus 6 volt, and node voltage 2 is minus 42 volt. Here this is our V1 minus 6 volt, and this is our V2 minus 42 volt. So that's all for today. In the next video I will show you how you can use control sources like control voltage source, voltage control voltage source, current control current source, and so on. So thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.